Hi everyone, I wanted to jump on here and give you a quick video demonstration on how to find the at-home work for LCS and how to turn in any assignments on Google Classroom. So when you're on the internet, I had emailed you all a link to directions to how to access your work and how to turn it in. So on the access to any subject work, you're going to have your steps on how to do that and also steps on how to submit your math work. So the link to the LCS at home website is on this direction sheet. All you do, click and it'll take you right to it. As you can see, it's going to take you to the elementary, middle, and high school. You're just going to click on high school, and then you're going to click on whatever subject you are wanting to do work for that day that you're on. So in this case, I'm going to show you how to do the math. So for math, if you're in Algebra 1 Part 1, you'll click on that. If you're any other math, you'll click on whatever math you're in and whatever week we're on. So this is week 1, April 6th through the 10th. The rest of the weeks as we move forward will show up here as well. When you click on your subject, it'll open up to what we call choice boards. So in your choice boards, you're going to have different lessons. So for this week, we've got lesson 1 and lesson 2, and there is an extra lesson 3 for Algebra 1 Part 1 this week. But as the weeks go on, you'll see there will either be one lesson or there'll either be 2 lessons or 3 lessons, depending on the week. So on a choice board, you have a read section, which for part 1, what we did here is this is going to be your notes and what you can read about for the topic. Then there's a watch section that's going to give you a video on that same topic, let you watch what's going on. The do section, this is a section for your choices of the work to do and to practice to show us what you have learned from the read and the watch section. Then you've got an extension section, which is going to give you a little bit more challenging problems, and a remember is going to spiral back to things we have done earlier in this year. So what I want to show you is after you've looked through the notes, watched the video, then you're going to pick your do activity. So for this example, I'm going to go ahead and pick choice 3. So I can see when I click on it, choice 3 is going to bring me to a worksheet. For worksheets like this, you have the option, you can write your answers down on a sheet of paper or you could type them in a Google document. For different choices, like choice 2 is an iExcel. When you go to that, you can't really write anything down for that. So when you complete anything that is from a website, what you want to do is take a screenshot of your end results and add that to the Google Classroom page. So if I go to my Google Classroom page and go to the math class that you're enrolled in, what you'll see is a topic for the week that we're on. So in this case, this is week 1. And then there's a lesson 1 and a lesson 2 do activity. So right now, my example, we were working on lesson 1. So I'm going to go to lesson 1. And as you can see here, there is still a link to the work. So if you lose the directions page that I emailed you, you can go on here and still get to all the information. If I click view assignment, I want to add or create what I've done. So from my choice 3, from this linear transformation choice 3 worksheet, I did my answers on paper. And all that I did was, once I was done, I took a picture with my phone and emailed it to myself, and I can save it to my Google. So I saved it to my Google Drive. And what I want to do is just go in here and add it to the assignment. And it's this first thing. And once it's added, I'm just going to press turn in, and I've finished the activity for lesson 1. What will then happen is your teacher will look through it, give you any feedback letting you know if things are right or if things are wrong, how they can help you. If at any point in time you are confused or stuck on how to access the information, how to um, upload the information, or how to just do the work in general, please reach out to your teacher through email. They will get back to you as soon as they can. We are also open up to setting up Zoom conferences that we can work with you through video chat and help you with anything that you may need help with, or even tutoring and teaching you how to do some of the material since it is new. So please, if you can, take a look at some of these assignments. This will really help you out in getting you ahead and getting you on track for next year's math class so you do not miss any material, and it'll make walking in the fall a piece of cake. I hope everyone's doing well and staying safe, and we can't wait to get back in the classroom and see you all again soon.